everybody, this is Shemaine, and I just wanted to share something with you that I started for, how you say it, to rim up my metabolism and get me down some pounds, and it's all natural. It's called Body Complete RX, and in this little box it contains, I'm going to show you now, supplements to help boost up our metabolism. So these are a month supply of supplements that you could take to help ramp up the metabolism. And these right here are 60 capsules, and it's called Slim ER with energy boosters. So these things, so far I've been taking it for about a week now, and it starts immediately. It tastes good. Doesn't leave an aftertaste. It's a stimulant, so it does have coffee, and I'm a coffee drinker, so it doesn't bother me. But I do suggest that if you decide to do something like this, to eat a little something, take a fruit or your smoothie first before taking this on an empty stomach. That's just my suggestion. And the second thing it comes with is B12 drops. Now these are this drop is just amazing because it's vitamins that's going straight into the bloodstream, because you comes with a dropper, and you place it under your tongue. See, it's a dropper, and you just place 10 drops under your tongue, and then you swallow it, and it immediately gives you energy. B12 is a necessary vitamin that we need for our bodies to function properly, especially our nervous system, and it's great for skin. Okay, the next one I have in here is also called HCG, which is also another energy booster and stimulant. So it helps ramp up the metabolism to get us, to where we need to be. Because as you get older, it does slow down our metabolism, and we need a little help. So I would say this is for people in their 30s on up. I would say not for the young people, teenagers and anything like that. And then it comes with a protein, plant-based protein powder. And this one I just made with berries, mango, strawberries, and put a little bit of oat milk or almond milk, and 1 scoop a day. That's all you need, and it's delicious. It is sweet. This is the first protein powder that I've taken that tastes good, and it's made with it has stevia in it already, which is a natural sweetener, but it's just delicious. It doesn't have that charky taste, and it's a meal. You could replace a meal with this if you like, and it tastes delicious, especially if you're on the go. And the kit came with also this, and this right here, you can see it, is to put your pills in, your energy booster pills in, and it slides out and opens. So this is like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it's just great, and you just shake it up and keep it going. So far so good. I felt it working like the second day when I started taking it. Like I started, the sweat and immediate energy and clarity. So I'm going to give this a try until the end of the month. It's going to work because I just want to come down a few pounds and stay there. This is going to be like a maintenance for me to stay there and keep focused, but it does suppress your appetite. Let me tell you, you will not want to eat a full plate of food. I tried to. Your stomach is like, no, enough. And it's great, because before I would eat the whole thing and then want some snacks, afterwards. But this kit here really works immediately, and I believe it's worth it. I truly believe it's worth it. What I do recommend for everyone as far as eating is eat lean meats and vegetables. Try to cut out the carbs, like the starchy carbs, like potatoes and french fries and all that stuff. You gotta cut it out. You have to just eat lean meat, vegetables, and take your protein when you need to, and drink a lot of water, and exercise, of course. You don't have to go crazy like, I want to drop weight like immediately. No, this is a lifestyle that you incorporate. So it's helping you to just step away from the sugars, like the white sugars and all those things that we eat when we are bored or feeling emotional. Step away from those things and focus on the fruit, on the smoothies, on salads, adding nuts and avocados to our salads. Let's see, juicing also helps because it soothes the appetite from going out and eating a big thing of cake. Those things are fine in moderation, but when we get, when life happens and you just want to sit down and eat and just say the hell with everything, no, because that's when the pounds come on. I can say that for myself because I've been a roller coaster. Life happens and I'm like, I gotta eat because I'm frustrated or I'm tired or things are happening I just have no control over. No, it can't happen as you get older. It can't, because now as our bodies is aging, the things that we eat carry so much calories, and it just takes longer to get rid of if we don't exercise at least 3 times out of the week. And it don't have to be crazy. 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day doing something you like, a jump rope, jumping jacks, standing in place, leg lifts, floor exercise, things like that. It's just a must. I'm learning this. I know this, but again, life gets in the way and you just put those things to the side. Those things cannot be put to the side because we come first, and we got to take care of our bodies, which is the vessel of God. He needs us. He works through us. So we got to keep this body in tip-top shape. So I'm not a spokesman for this company, but I like it. And I do have a link that I will place at the bottom. If you want to purchase, you can purchase through that link, and I think you get 5 or 10% off if you purchase in that link that I provide. Okay, this is something they gave to me for purchasing my kit, so I'm extending it to you if you want to try. And that's about it. If you have any more questions you want to ask me, don't be afraid to reach out and ask me, and I'll let you know the end results. I'm looking to drop 10 to 20 pounds. That's it, just to get back on track and stay motivated. So I want to motivate you if I can, and try it out. Bye, everybody. Mwah.